Think you need a suit and a briefcase to start investing? Nope. Today, we're talking about micro-investing. It's how Gen Z and Gen Alpha are building wealth with literally their pocket change. This is compound interest. You invest $1, that dollar earns a nickel. Then that nickel starts earning its own pennies. Over time, your money starts working harder than you do during finals week. Apps now do roundups. Buy a coffee for $4.50. The app rounds it to $5 and invests that 50 cents automatically. You don't even feel it. To do this, you need a student budget. Let's slice it up. 50% slice labeled needs, 30% slice labeled wants, and 20% slice labeled future you. 50% for the boring stuff like rent and ramen, 30% for the fun stuff so you don't lose your mind, and 20% that goes to your investments. Even $5 a week is a win. Need more cash to invest? Forget flipping burgers. Try these 2026 hustles. Prompt Wizard, prompt engineering for AI tools. The Scroll Stopper, editing short-form video for brands, and the Digital Creator. If you can talk to an AI or edit a TikTok, you have a high-income skill. Use that extra cash to fuel your portfolio. Your 3-step plan. 1. Pick a micro-investing app. 2. Set it to auto-invest so you don't have to think. And 3. Wait. Don't check your balance every hour. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let it sit, let it grow. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Smash that subscribe button for more ways to hack your future. Class dismissed.